There you go, guys, back again, the third video today on setting these posts. Okay, what I better show you is what we've done here to make sure we get our heights right. Frank is doing okay, piece by piece. He's getting practice. He's set those last 3 posts, and he's learning. We've still got a bit of kicking around to do. Over the next few months he'll be real good at it. Okay, it does take time. Do not expect to do this easily. Do not expect to get it right the first time around. If you do, you're only fluking it. But what we have, you can see from here that the heights on those is pretty close. Okay, now if you see that piece of timber we've got there, that is above the height we want. Now what we have over here on the wall over there, don't know if you can see that or not, but right over there we have a height that the builder wants for the top of stump. Okay, now we've set this dumpy, this theodolite. Okay, you can use a laser if you wish. Laser is a bit easier, but if you want accuracy once you finally get around to doing it, and of course you can't beat the theodolite dumpy, we call them in the builder, in the trade. And what we have, that is set to over 100 above that mark over there. Okay, it's set to the top of that timber rail, so we know that every post, if it makes it, if it's on this dumpy line or above, we know she's up to 100, if not more, above the cut line. So we know we've got plenty of steel to play with, to do our cut with. And we'll show you that cutting later on during the week as we cut those posts, and show you how that's done, and make sure we get all the safety gear on. For you guys, yes, if you're a beginner, you want to wear safety gear when you're cutting the steel. Okay, as you get better, of course, you can see some of my other videos. Yes, there's a lot of people complaining, oh, I'm not wearing safety gear and all the rest of that rubbish. But you got to remember, I've been doing this for over 40 years now, and I know and have taught many people, especially steel workers, how to use grinders. And if you're not in the way of the sparks or in the way of the blade, it's almost impossible for it to hurt you. And people say, oh, I should wear glasses. I can tell you now, I've gone to hospital more often while wearing glasses than I have when I don't wear them. So yes, just like seat belts on a car. Can anybody tell me how many people have died because of a seat belt? Of course not, because they don't tell you those facts. Okay, they'll only tell you, oh, you should wear a seat belt so it saves lives. Yeah, well, the same thing with the airbags on a car, on the front. How many people can tell me how many children the airbags have killed over the last 20 years? I can tell you there's been a few, and they've changed the structure of the airbags over the 20 years to try and stop that from happening. One of the regulations is, of course, you don't put children in the front seat. It's a good way to stop them from having problems with airbags. Okay, well, same thing with a grinder. Lots of pros and cons, you know, lots of things you should do and shouldn't do. For beginners, wearing glasses or wearing gloves is not such a good idea, because it gives you a false indication of what the grinder's doing. But of course, if you're that bad, it can't hurt you too much. But do remember, you stick your finger in that grinder blade, glove or not, it's going to cut through it. Okay, same with the glasses. Glasses or not, if that grinder blade's coming for your face, it'll go through the glasses. Okay, glasses are only there to try and stop sparks, not the grinder. All right, okay, we will move on, and he's almost got enough concrete in that next hole so he can set the next stump. But yeah, just telling you about the theodolite. Set your levels so you know where your levels are, so you don't have too much post sticking out like that one there. Okay, that post is a bit long for where we wanted it, but we couldn't get it down in the hole as far as I'd like, as I wanted, because the amount of the hole wasn't quite right. We had to bust it over, and of course we didn't stick that post quite as far down as it could have gone, but she's still solid. It is a 6mm post, so you're not going to move the thing. But that hole is still 1500 deep, and that post is 600 plus in the hole. So yeah, as you work out where you're going. I did measure these holes, the posts, with the tape in the hole, but the tape in the hole didn't tell me whether the hole was in the right place. So we have to dig down until we get something hard, and of course trying to dig through rock after that is a little harder with a shovel than it is with the auger on the end of an excavator. So, but yeah, we're doing well. It's going in. We're taking it easy. We're not working hard at this. Just going step by step. Tomorrow I've got the steel arrives at home, so I can start cutting up the rest of the posts. But yeah, going well. Another hour or so, hour and a half, we'll be finished here and head home and get ready for tomorrow. Okay, we'll talk again soon. Thanks for watching. Hit those buttons, please. Love to talk to you. Catch you later. Bye.